I'm working on another project. It's called Garage-O-Matic, and I'm working with partners, and we are getting ready to launch. We have a lot of very specific technical repair data, which is kind of like what we did here today, only it would be 4 hours worth. Very specific, very detailed, giving you every necessary tool in a list, every step by step on a list, plus even much more detailed video. But that's going to be on a pay basis. It's going to be nominal fees, and that's going to be coming live soon. If you want to be added to that list, shoot me an email. We already have about 30 videos, and it will be published very soon. It's going to be, we're starting with the Rolls-Royce and Bentley specifically. So more to come on that one.
Thanks, Ronnie.
All right.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Ronnie.